Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to switch or change the lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should just tap here on the screen for a while, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Just go there, and as can you see right now we got here all our available wallpapers on our device, the default ones. That's the folders with the wallpapers. Here also you can choose your new wallpaper from the your device photos. And for example, we'll go with the cityscapes, and now we can select one from these wallpapers. For example, we'll go in with this one. And now just here, as can you see, we got the lock screen and home screen. We want to change the lock screen, and here just you can select the position of your wallpaper, and just here tap to set, and also confirm to change the lock screen. And here we got the message that our wallpaper successfully. And yes, can you see we just change our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. First you should go just to the settings application, and here tap to the display section. Just now go to the advanced options, and here you'll see the wallpaper, and by the same way we can just choose from your photos on our device or from the default wallpapers. Now just go here to the landscapes, for example, and here select one from these wallpapers. Now just set the wallpaper, and here tap to the lock screen, and as can you see we changed successfully our wallpaper. Yes, can you see? So that's our new wallpaper on our lock screen. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.